my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is TyraNoBanks, whichever one you want to call me. And today I am doing a unboxing shoe review. So fall and winter is approaching, and I was just like, I want some new booties. So of course, you know, social media asked me tracking your phone and stuff. So I like Steve Madden, and I was just watching people's stories on Instagram, and I ran across these boots. So it came in this box right here. Steve Madden, I got it upside down. And then of course the other side I got like my address on it and stuff, but I stretched it out. But I cracked it on open. I have not looked at them, so we're looking at these together. Okay, so this is the box. It's a cardboard box, but it has Steve Madden stamped on the front of it, and it has Steve Madden stamped on the side of it. And these are a size 11 booty. AMULET boots, black booties. So let's keep this. I may or may not keep them in the box. I don't know yet. But this is what they look like. They have the Steve Madden paper. Oh my gosh. And then they got each booty wrapped in the plastic. Y'all, I'm excited to like actually see it, because when I seen them, I was like, yes. Like I seen them and then I bought them. So like I said, it comes in this clear plastic right here. Y'all can see, ooh, this boot's sexy. And of course it looks long because these are a size 11. I got a big foot, honey. Got the paper on the inside. Yeah, these are cute. Can you, okay. Ooh, you can undo the, y'all can, okay, wait. I'm trying to get all the plastic out of the shoe. All the plastic, all the paper. Let's see. We got everything out. So you know how usually they make these boots and like, you like, oh, how can I not break the little strap? Yes, come on. So just based off an appearance, these are like 10/10. Look at this. Look at how chic that looks. You can be wearing an all black outfit and you can throw this on with some gem earrings, period. Oh, I'm so glad I got these. This is giving me royalty, but with like a street flair, if that makes sense. Let's get the other one. Let's get the other one out of the box. Yeah, I'll probably keep these in the box for now. I don't usually keep boxes because boxes keep up like storage. It takes up room in your closet, but these are too nice to just be sitting out. So here they are together. Boop. These boots are made for walking. Hello. Hello. No, these boots are so cute. I believe they were see, I was about to choke saying the price. $140. Let's see, because I believe I got them straight off of Steve Madden. Let's see, y'all. Yep, I got them straight off of Steve Madden. They were $129.95, and then I think either the tax, I think shipping was free, but tax had added that on, and that's why I said it was $140. But yeah, I'll make sure to put like the link, the direct link to the shoe if y'all want it. And they do the, I think it's Klarna or Afterpay. They do that. So no shame, no game, honey. No shame, no game. Do what you do, but watch my shoes. You ain't got these. You ain't got these. Stop looking at them hard. You ain't got these. Check my footwork. Y'all, I cannot wait to wear these. I should try them on, huh? Okay, y'all. So, don't talk about my pants. So, this is what they look like on. They are so cute. I'm glad I got an 11 because I got some wiggle room. Okay, but like I was saying, I'm glad I got an 11 because I got some wiggle room. So, I don't like when you got a boot and your toes is like right at the end. It's so uncomfortable. With this, I would say wear like a stocking, or I'm going to wear like a stocking, or I might just not wear no socks at all, because it is a little tight around the foot. So if anything, I would have went up another size, but I feel like a 12 just pushing it, baby. Like 11 already pushing it, 12 would have been pushing it to the limit, okay? So yeah, size 11, great size. I love the way, did y'all see how it looked on my foot? Like, I know it's just like a little quick, but like, weren't they just fire? I cannot wait to style these. Hello. No, but for real, I cannot wait to style these. Make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, TikTok, all that. Everything is linked down below. So when I style these, y'all will know, okay? And then make sure y'all like, comment, and make sure y'all subscribe. Become a part of the Brownie Squad. What are y'all waiting on? What are y'all waiting for? If y'all like this review, please thumbs up and comment down below if y'all like these boots or if y'all even have them, because I think these are new, like new to the collection. I don't really know. Like I said, I seen them and I bought them right then and there. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about these, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.